Hey, it is Friday the 13th. Where are we at?
We're at the Death Valley.
Yeah, that's right, Death Valley National Park on Friday the 13th. How fitting.
Yep.
It is currently 114 degrees at Furnace Creek. My car is registering 109 at the moment. We're not going to do a whole lot of hiking here today, are we?
No.
But we are going to see just a few of the sites that we can reach. We had hoped to go to the racetrack, but the main road to get to it is closed. It got washed out in a thunderstorm.
Yep.
Right now we're checking out Artist Drive, where the hills are alive with color. Now at the Devil's Golf Course.
Yep.
This is what I love having a super all-wheel drive. So this is it, the Devil's Golf Course. It's named that because they said only the devil could play golf in a landscape like this. I mean, look at that. That's salt crystallized just all over. Walk out here a little bit, Catfish, so I get you in video. You really need somebody in it to get an idea of what this landscape is.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy, isn't it?
Yep.
And this stuff is sharp. You wouldn't want to fall on it.
Nope. Would not.
And it looks like that for as far as the eye can see over to the mountain line. It's probably not quite that far, but that's just kind of crazy. You just don't know what you're going to find in this world, do you, buddy?
No.
I wouldn't have thought about coming to Death Valley to see some amazing mountain views, but it has it. These are the salt flats here at Badwater Basin. This is the lowest point in the U.S.
Yep.
282 feet below sea level we're in right now, right, buddy?
Yep.
We're sitting here at 282 feet below sea level. Meanwhile, these mountains around here rise to over 11,000 feet above sea level.
Yeah.
So it makes them seem massive. As you can see, the entire thing climbed from below sea level to 11,000 feet. (282 feet below sea level. If you look at the mountain behind us here, see if I can find it again. Right there it is. So the mountain right there shows you sea level. Gives you an idea how deep we are. If it wasn't for the extreme heat, this would be an awesome place to explore. you come down here during late fall, early winter or something, I'll bet it would be awesome to hike here. Right, buddy?
Yep.
Yep. Well, that pretty much does it today for our just little smidgen here sampling of Death Valley National Park. What do you think of it, Catfish?
The landscapes were definitely cool. It was a bit on the hot side, but overall, it's worth saying that we were on the lowest point of North America.
Yep, not only the lowest point in North America, but the hottest point in North America.
Yep.
Officially, we know of, it was 116 degrees during our visit here. But yeah, what an amazing landscape. So much more to Death Valley than I would have ever guessed.
Yeah.
Definitely something I would love to come back into someday when it is cooler.
Yep.
But onward, moving right along.
Yep.
Till next time.